Okay, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade to the new physics bones from the dynamic bones. Since my last video had a slight error that hand colliders get automatically added, so these colliders get automatically added, and I'll show you how. So you have your model all set up, import the latest SDK, which will be linked down below, and then you click import. Okay, and then all you gotta do is open the control panel like you would normally. Go to builder, and down here it says avatar uses deprecated DynamicBone components, upgrade to PhysBones, guarantee future compatibility. So hit autofix and it'll give you this little warning pop up, and you just click proceed, and there you are, done, just like that, and you're ready to upload. And yeah, I will also show you the in the descriptor down the bottom here it shows colliders. It'll probably be hidden, so it's just under your menu colliders. You have your head, torso, hand, foot, fingers, and all that. So you can have custom ones as well if you want, but automatic is good as well. As you can see, little colliders here on the hands. Okay, so that about does it for this video. More videos coming soon, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching. Peace.